Hi guys, today I'm gonna attempt to put my bird on my shoulder for the first time. Right, little guy? All right, come on. This is freaking scary. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Yeah, come on. Birdie, come on. Come on, Birdie. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. A bit closer to me. Boy. Not too close. Oh my. I can't get him off. Maybe this. Let's see. Birdie. Birdie. Here, go here. Birdie. Go, Birdie. Off. Let's try the cage. Oh, he's getting closer. He's getting closer. Birdie. Off. Oh, he's getting closer. He's literally right next to my face. Yeah, go. Oh, shoot. Wait, is he looking at me? Come on, Birdie. Birdie. Off. Off, Birdie. Birdie, off. Don't give me that look. You're too close to me. My arm hurts. Off. Off. Birdie. Here. Perch. Go. Yeah, yeah. Go, go, go. Yes, yes, yes. No. Go on, Birdie. Go. Birdie. Yes, yes, yes. No, Birdie. No. Why is he getting closer? Please, Birdie, go on your perch. Oh. Go on your perch. Perch, perch. Jump. Jump. Yeah, you want it. Yes, yes, yes. Ah. Never doing that again. And that's why you don't put Kia on your shoulder. Right, Kia? Little birdie, ooh.